Today with PondMAX, we're going to be showing you how to replace your LED bulb for the fountain and waterfall LED lights. And this process is the same for the complete light kit as it is for the add-on lights. Here we have the replacement LED bulb kit. So inside the kit, what we have is the LED bulb, the new lens, the gasket, and the tool that will help us for the removal and reinstallation of the bulb. First, we're going to take this tool and we're going to put it into the notches on the lens ring on the light and twist to the left to loosen it, and then we can unscrew the lens ring. Next, we'll remove our lens, and that will come out with the help of this tool. Then we'll remove the gasket, and then we'll remove the bulb itself by turning the light upside down and tapping it on our palm. Next, we'll take the new LED bulb, which is in the bag. We're going to reinstall it in the light by lining up the hole that is in the bulb with the pin inside the light socket. Next, we'll reinstall the gasket, and finally we'll reinstall the lens itself, and then take our lens ring and put it back on the light and twist it to the right to tighten it. When we have it mostly tightened, we can take our tool, finish tightening it up, and make sure it's totally snug. And that is how to complete the process to change your LED bulb in the fountain and waterfall lights.